Hello guys, Adonis here.
And Giselle.
We've been in Wisconsin for like a week and a half, and I had to edit all 3 state videos. We just posted them recently. Today's gonna be the first day we post a daily video in our touring of the USA. Now we're in Wisconsin, and she just found out that they're known here for cheese. So we're gonna visit one of the most famous spots of cheese and see what's up with the cheese here in Wisconsin. Pow! The ninjas have arrived.
To steal all the cheese.
We are in there. Here we go, let's taste some cheese.
What's up, man? Y'all moving? They got me?
He's like,
guys?
me.
Thank you. This is like a supermarket. Oh, look at that lovely lady. Oh wow, this is interesting. I was not expecting this.
Oh my God, I'm in heaven. Instead of checking for cheese, it's checking for alcohol. That would be a no for me. Have you guys ever seen chicken soup cheese? Dog drool. Ew.
I want to buy everything and taste it all. So we got $30 worth of things.
This bread for $6. Domestic Swiss cheese for $6. This 15-year-old slice of cheese for $5.40. Wisconsin cheese curds for $7. Crafted cream soda.
The first thing I want to try is the 15-year-old one. God bless all this food, and don't let it have any corona. Amen. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I
You
just
throw
dropped
in
a
the
piece.
cheese?
Yo. Wow. Wow.
Now time for the Wisconsin cheese curds. This one was made yesterday. Hershey.
Wow.
Put the whole thing in your mouth. I'm in love with the cheese.
Oh my God. Who would have thought that something that squeezed out of a cow's titty would taste so good? We're gonna leave the Swiss cheese for tomorrow. So our phone died. We're gonna taste the Swiss cheese. For the soda taste. Now we're gonna continue and head to the next spot.
I told Adonis that every lighthouse he takes us through sucks. He said this is gonna be the exception.
Giselle was bashing me for the lighthouse selection. Look at what we find over there. And we made it. So we found out that recently The Black Lives Matter movement is really strong out here in this little town. They burned a few businesses down. Drive around now downtown area and see. That was a horrible scene to see. You know, it's crazy how this beautiful town had to go through that, but you know, people gotta stand for their rights. Anyways, now we're gonna see and head out to Milwaukee and continue touring Wisconsin, baby. This is like a Latin American town. It's the Basilica of Saint Josaphat.
I'm asked Adonis if we could rent one of those. Like, how cool! I want to rent one. If I lived around here, I'll have a picnic every day. Just come here, read a book, bring some fruits, a sandwich, and stay here all day. Adonis literally just left. I don't know where he at with the car. I don't know if he went to park it or what. Oh, look at him right there. You don't think it would be nice to tell me that you left the area? I'm over here looking for him like a maniac and calling my phone, but he put my phone on the not disturb. So my calls don't even go through. Told you guys I was gonna convince him. Are here.
Anything with water scares me because I don't know how to swim, but I'm still gonna do it.
You ready? Adonis put his life vest so tight because he thinks that the tighter it is, the less likely to drown he is. Disinfecting the seats. Bye, Adonis. Bye.
Wow. Wow, this feels amazing. Thank you, Giselle. I'm loving this.